Pre and postbiotic mask is an incredible treatment mask, and this is one that I was so excited to launch when I really started digging around and looking at something that's going to help to balance microbiome activity. We're in a new era now where we know that probiotics are not necessarily something that we should be seeking out, because a probiotic is a live bacterial culture. When we put these into cosmetic products, the life is not very long, right? They don't survive long, not to mention that we have to put preservatives into these type of products, which can actually kill the overall function of the probiotic. We're not actually allowed to have anything living in the formulation. So the new concept that we've worked with is pre and postbiotic. And the idea here is that we're able to nourish and feed the microbiome. We can nourish healthy bacteria that's found on the surface of the skin while potentially down-regulating pathogenic or harmful bacteria. We've done a great job with the ingredient blend that we have here. We have a blend of something called Royal Tea, which is a collection of purple potato, purple rice, and purple tea together with a probiotic to create this postbiotic fermentation process. So this again helps to nourish the healthy bacteria that's on the surface of the skin and also has a circadian balancing function. We've added something called Circadian Blue, which also again helps to protect from blue light and helps to rebalance the circadian function of epidermal keratinocytes. The other really interesting ingredient that we're using here is something called Bioline FP. It's a combination of inulin, which is sourced from chicory root, as well as an agave. And these are two materials that are highly regarded, highly recognized as helping to nourish healthy bacteria on the surface of the skin. So we're really targeting biome balancing and circadian rhythm syncing and function together with this one formulation.